You cannot continue to ask people to marry you or buy your product without dating them first. And social media is where you're going to date them. You're going to date them by putting out that you love long walks on the beach and your favorite color is blue and your favorite poet is this and your favorite song is that. And they're going to begin to get to know you. And let me tell you this, some people aren't going to love you. Some people aren't even going to like you. And so if that happens, the beautiful thing about social media is they can quietly leave. They can change the channel, let's call it. It's a much softer way of saying it when they unfriend you. Horrible, horrible way to feel. The beautiful thing is you don't get a notification when someone unfriends you.
You know, that's amazing. It's so true as far as when you're trying to get business and you're dating someone to get that business. You know, if they don't like you, they just unfriend you. The truth is you are out there on social media and people do work with people they like, that they think will do a good job, that they think they can trust. So what you are putting out there is very crucial to your business and to the patronage that you're wanting to date, that you're wanting to woo in to use your service. And you know, a couple things that can be done to help with that is be careful what you address on social media. Be careful to make sure that what you're talking about is a positive stint of how to help people. Make sure that you're putting out the right attitude. Make sure that you're being genuine about how you feel about what you do and how you're going to help other people, because you're going to woo these people in, and that's just the truth of it. Any type of relationship that you have is similar to like a dating relationship, and the first impression is so crucial. That's so funny she said that, you know, what my favorite color is, what I like to do, those kind of things. That is absolutely the truth. But when you're talking about a business relationship, people aren't necessarily going to care so much about what your favorite color is. They're not going to care about those things. What they are going to care about is what is their favorite color, and you knowing this. What do they want? What is their favorite thing? Why are they doing what they're wanting to do? And why do they want to use your service? Those are the things you have to know. Those are the things you have to take notes of, because you do have to court your buyers. You have to court your potential clients. You have to court those who are going to do business with you. And that's one way to do it on social media, is to put out there, well, here's who I am, and I want to know about you. What do you want? What is your favorite thing about buying a home? I help people buy homes. What is your favorite thing? What do you want as far as a loan? What would be the perfect scenario for you? If we were to get together on this, what would you like to see? What would make you happy? What's your favorite color of loan? I wish loans were colored. They're not. What's your favorite color of house? What kind of home would you like? If you had the perfect world scenario, what's the most you would pay per month? Finding these things out, asking the right questions, and then letting them get to know you and say, you know what, I totally agree. I like those things too. Here's what I'd like to do. Here's what I like to do. Let's do these things together, and let's help give you in a situation where we're going to marry you into the perfect loan, the perfect home. And if you're getting clients, marry you into the perfect relationship so that we can best work together to meet your goals for what you want. Because it's not about me. It's about you. It's about your client. It's about the relationship that you're building with those who are going to refer you business. So that's amazing. So yes, use social media for that, and make sure you're wooing your clients. Make sure that you're wooing those that want to work with you. Let's go out there and let's make sure that we're doing what's good for other people, not just ourselves. Kansas Little Man Mind Munch right here.